Hi, my name is Olivia and this is my trip to China. In today's video, I'm traveling to Suzhou, a historic city known for its classical gardens, canal districts and well-preserved old neighborhoods. I'll be sharing my first impressions as I walk through its historic streets and observe how daily life continues within neighborhoods shaped by centuries of tradition. Good morning, we are at the train station and today we are going to Suzhou, if that's how I pronounce it, probably not. We grabbed ourselves the only available coffee and we missed our train. Now we're trying to get new tickets. This is the central train station in Shanghai. We have arrived. We have arrived in Suzhou and they have metro and everything, and we were picturing a small town, but I guess a small town in China is not the same thing as a small town in Europe. It does take us a long time to figure out where to go, which metro to take, where the train is, and like all sorts of technical things. So the map, the metro map from our small town, water town day trip looks exactly like Shanghai. This is massive. If you're wondering about payment, you can pay with Alipay and WeChat. You can pay cash as well when it comes to the metro. And then the price is this, which is like 40p. As soon as we stepped out into Suzhou, the atmosphere felt completely different from Shanghai. The streets were quieter, with traditional buildings and small neighborhood shops, and daily life seemed to run at a slower pace. Did I mention how clean everything is? Oh yeah, there is a corgi. Oh my goodness! So many really nice shops because they feel genuine and very affordable compared to Shanghai. Like Shanghai is really expensive. Corina got a lovely trench coat. There are so many nice clothes and they're so nice quality and everyone is so lovely. Here in this area in terms of customer service, nobody's pushing you to buy anything. They're very nice. And for reference, a trench coat like this is like 15 pounds. I'm such a big fan. This is just gonna be a shopping trip to Suzhou. I forget the attractions. What? They're so lovely. Oh, by the way, we haven't seen any foreigners at all since we got on the train to Suzhou. One more shop. There's a museum. This is so beautiful. Our first stop was the humble administrator's garden, the largest and most famous of the city's classical gardens. Suzhou's gardens are recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites because they preserve the traditional design principles developed by scholars and officials over many centuries. The humble administrator's garden was created in the early 16th century by a retired imperial official, and it reflects the core ideas of Chinese garden design. These gardens are arranged as miniature landscapes with ponds, rocks, pavilions and walkways placed to evoke mountains, rivers and natural scenery on a smaller scale. Paths are intentionally covered so that views unfold gradually, and the buildings act as framed viewpoints rather than central structures. Water forms the heart of the layout, while rocks and plants are arranged asymmetrically to create a sense of natural balance. The humble administrator's garden became a model for later gardens in the Jiangnan region and is considered one of the finest surviving examples of classical Chinese landscape design. So many people are wearing the traditional dresses we've seen in the shops, and they're taking pictures in the garden and it's so lovely. Well, this is clearly where all the tourists are. To be honest, Chinese tourism is very touristy, if that makes sense.
It just peak consumerism, that's what it is.
Yeah, and we are falling for it a little bit. Suzhou's canal districts preserve a city layout that dates back nearly 1,000 years. This area formed part of the Grand Canal network, the system that linked northern and southern China and helped make Suzhou one of the wealthiest cities of the imperial era. Many of the neighborhoods still follow the plan recorded in a 1229 map, with stone paths, whitewashed houses, and black tile roofs arranged along narrow waterways. A clear example of this traditional layout can be seen along Pingjiang Road, a historic street that has followed the same plan since the Song dynasty. It runs beside a narrow canal in the center of the old town, with houses, tea houses, and family-run shops built directly along the water. Streets like this developed as mixed transport routes, where residents moved between homes, markets, and workplaces, either on foot or by boat. That structure has changed very little. Boats still travel the canal at a slow pace, and the close arrangement of paths, bridges, and buildings reflect the everyday pattern of life that defines Suzhou's older neighborhoods. These are squishies. This is fascinating. This is the most satisfying thing. So we're assuming this is the famous street. I don't think we need to check the GPS. We're just offered some tea. Very good. This is so good. I'm gonna have some.
This is nice.
Yeah, we're getting tea. This is so good. This is absolutely incredible. And look at the presentation. This area is so lovely, and we love the things that you can buy as well, because there is a lot of silk and really nice quality clothing, scarves, dresses, and so on. And yeah, you can find silk, linen, cotton, like really good quality things. And the atmosphere is just so lovely. Everything is fascinating, left and right. Look at this. So this is definitely 100% worth a visit. We would love to stay for longer.